20 Minutes Setswana presents
Abuti!
Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about transport. Are you ready, kids? What is the word for bicycle in Sesotho? That's right, bicycle. And what is the word for train in Sesotho? Very good, terena. Now, what is the word for bus in Sesotho? That's right, bese. And the word for car in Sesotho? Very good, koloi. Now let's see if you can remember these words. What is the word for bus in Sesotho? And train? And bicycle? And car? Very good. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Bye.